Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can figure out if somebody blocked you on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my Instagram right now, and as you'll notice, I have one story on top of my profile, or on my main page. There were two stories before, the other was from my second account, but I've blocked myself from that second account, and as you can see, that story is gone. So what you can check is if somebody posted up a story, and it vanished from your feed before 24 hours have passed, then they've either deleted that story or they've blocked you. The second thing is, if I go into my chats, as you can see, I have Instagram user over here. This is the account that I blocked myself over, and as you can see, if I try to type a message, it will send it. However, that person will not receive it. Now, this could be because that person has deleted their account or deactivated it. However, it could also mean that they have blocked you. So you can check that by going into your browser and googling their name or their profile. You can go just www.instagram.com/their username, and if the account pops up, then they have blocked you, and if it doesn't, that means they have deleted their account. You can also try mentioning them. If that doesn't happen, then most likely they have blocked you. Instagram won't let you mention or tag somebody that has blocked you. And yeah, those are just some of the ways that you can figure it out. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.